don't stop, don't stop, don't.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Timique Skin Glow, and on this channel we do everything skincare, from simple DIY to product review, and of course I share tips and tricks with you on this channel to help you glow effortlessly. So please, if you have not subscribed yet to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Now, please take time to go through this channel. There are so many educative videos categorized into different playlists, from DIY to product review, making a base cream from scratch, oil, scrub, soap. Definitely you will find something interesting, something educative to you. So please subscribe to be part of our skincare family. All right, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Timique Skin Glow and other social media platform. Our handle is Timique Skin Glow. Now, if you are a skincare formulator battling with your formula, you don't have effective formula, you are into pro-mixing, you don't have effective pro-mixing, why not get our pro-mixing ebook today, or register for my online natural skincare formulation class. Everything in that class is made from scratch. Super effective formula, super effective recipes, and of course there are ebooks for it. So if you want to learn how to pro-mix effective recipes, get my pro-mixing ebook. If you want to learn how to formulate very effective skincare product from scratch, from facial cream to body oil, body lotion, soap, scrub, toners for treatment, skin maintenance, whitening, toning, and moisturizing products, get the ebook. We also have for natural skincare formulation ebook, pro-mixing ebook, and of course whitening base cream ebook. So if you want to stop spending money on base cream, you want to make your own effective whitening base cream from scratch, why not get the whitening base cream ebook today? Please send me a mail or WhatsApp message via the number on the screen, or DM Timique Skin Glow on Instagram. All right. Yeah, our products are available as well for immediate delivery, and we deliver worldwide. So distance is never a barrier. Distance should not stop you from glowing. Whatever your skin challenge is, whatever skin condition you're facing, whether stretch mark, acne, dark spot, dark knuckles, you want to lighten, you want to tone, you're an expectant mom and you need a product that will make you glow during your pregnancy period, there's something for everyone. Okay, please send a message to place your order. Now, this video, I don't want it to be so long. I'll just go straight to the point. And of course, in today's video, I will be announcing our winners. Yes, the winner of our August giveaway. The winners of the August giveaway, I will be announcing in this video. So please watch this video to the end to see if you are one of the lucky winners. Like I said in that video which I posted on August, I said, mention whatever product you're interested in. Let me know in the comment section of that video. That way is for me to know you and see what you're interested in. And I went further to say, please stay active on this channel to win. So basically, it's not just about mentioning the product you want in the comment section. It's about you staying active on this channel. And so I've been able to compile the names of the lucky winners. Videos are there. The video of the giveaway is there for you to see. The comment section and other videos I posted after that one, the videos are there for you to go and see. Check the comment section, check the dates the people made the comment to see how transparent this was. Okay, and so here number one on the list is Timique Obade, okay, at 9869. So that's your YouTube handle, Timique Obade 9869. You said you want the glutathione supplement and the grace cleanser. So this is the glutathione supplement you want. This is it. Please send a WhatsApp message to claim yours. And you also said you need the grace cleanser. So you will be getting the whole 4 grace cleanser. Now, what you have to do for me is just comment on this video the last 3 digits of your phone number. So when you come to WhatsApp, it will be easy for us to identify you, okay? I hope that's not difficult. Just comment the last 3 digits of your WhatsApp phone number, the number you're contacting us with. Just drop the last 3 digits in this comment section, okay? And then we'll know you are the rightful winner of it. So you'll be getting this glutathione and, of course, this Grace cleanser. Remember, the baby course will be on you. I'm not going to bear the baby course. I said it in that video. So you just pay the baby course. And of course, whatever amount we tell you the baby course is, we're going to snap the receipt, okay, of the baby and show to you on WhatsApp. That's for transparency purpose. So whatever the charge, if it's 2,000 naira for the baby or 2,500 or 3,000 naira, we're going to snap the receipt. If we're using GIG or a Godfrey or any other logistic company, we're going to snap it, the receipt, and of course send it to you on WhatsApp for you to see. I'm not taking your money. The only thing you're paying is your baby cost. So congratulations to you, Timique. You've been active on this channel. Thank you for supporting. Now, we also have Happiness, a name. Please pardon my pronunciation if I'm not getting the name well. We have Happiness, a name, okay? 2362, that's your YouTube handle. You said you need the BB Clear facial cream and the Make Me White tube. I told you we have 5 BB Clear facial cream. So you will be getting the whole 5 BB Clear facial cream. And of course, you said you need the Make Me White tube. You'll be getting the 2 Make Me White tube. So this is for you. Congratulations to you. Please drop the last 3 digits of your phone number in the comment section of this video, and also proceed to WhatsApp to claim your prize. And yes, number 3 is Shalom Smith 4140. You say you need the Skin Doctor ampoules, Skin Doctor whitening ampoules. This is it. So congratulations to you. Please send a WhatsApp message to claim your prize. Drop the last 3 digits of your phone number in the comment section, so when you come to WhatsApp, it will be easy for us to identify you as the correct person for that prize. And number 4 on the list, we have Princess Henry 2132. That's your YouTube handle. And you said you need a body enhancement ebook. So congratulations to you. Please drop the last 3 digits of your WhatsApp number in the comment section of this video, and then proceed to WhatsApp to claim your ebook. It will be sent to your mail, and also a PDF will be sent to you on WhatsApp. We have Miriam Amakoet. Okay, Marian Amakoet 1120. That's your YouTube handle. I hope I got the pronunciation right. Congratulations to you. You said you need the body enhancement ebook. You are from Cameroon. So please drop the last 3 digits of your phone number. That's your WhatsApp number in the comment section of this video, and then proceed to WhatsApp to claim your prize. We also have Olayemi Shokenu. Olayemi Shokenu 2818. That's your YouTube handle. You are in the UK, and you said you need the body enhancement ebook. Congratulations to you. Please drop the last 3 digits of your phone number in the comment section of this video, and proceed to WhatsApp to claim your prize. We also have Dorcas Essay. Congratulations to you. You said you need the glutathione supplement. This is it. I'm giving out 2. This is 1. The first one is for Timique. This is for Timique, and this is for Dorcas Essay. So please drop the last 3 digits of your WhatsApp number in the comment section of this video, and proceed to WhatsApp to claim your prize. We also have Blessing, AK. Okay, I will put the names on the screen just in case I'm not getting the pronunciation well. So when you see your name, you know you are the one I'm talking about. Blessing AK 2428. That's your YouTube handle. You didn't mention the product you're interested in. You just said you are interested in the product, but you did not specify the exact product you want. So what item are you interested in? Please state it in the comment section of this video. Drop your last 3 digits of your WhatsApp number here, and proceed to WhatsApp to redeem your prize. We have Christy Joseph 1422. That's your YouTube handle. Please, you said you need the body enhancement ebook. You're in Italy. Congratulations to you. Please drop the last 3 digits of your WhatsApp number in the comment section of this video and then proceed to WhatsApp to redeem your prize. We have other products here, but unfortunately, not everybody followed the rule. Rule number 1 is comment the product you're interested in the comment section of the giveaway video. And number 2 rule is to stay active on this channel to win. The purpose of this giveaway is to encourage my subscribers, is to say thank you for supporting me on this channel. And then for those who are interested, because I know I have so many supporters here, but not everyone is interested in the product. Not everyone is interested in the giveaway. And so I said, if you are interested in the giveaway, please state whatever product you want in the comment section. Some persons just stated what they wanted, but they did not stay active in the subsequent videos that was uploaded. Okay, some just said they were interested but did not state the exact product they wanted. It's quite unfortunate. This is not the last giveaway on this channel. There will be more giveaways, so please stay active to win. This is not the first giveaway we're doing here, and it's definitely not going to be the last. Now, the product we have left here are, we have this facial masks left. So especially for Blessing, AK2428, that did not state what she wanted, this is the product. This product I'm listing at once available, so you can choose any one from what is available. We have this facial masks. You can choose 1 or 2. Like some persons here got 2. Like I said, anyone you're interested in, just say it. We have this facial masks, 1 of it. We have Orevate gel. We have 2 of this. We have this digital thermometer. We have just 1. And of course, this Skin Doctor collagen ampoules. You know, I gave her the whitening ampoules. This here is the collagen ampoules. The full packet is what you will get if that's what you want. Okay, sorry, the Orevate is 3. The Orevate tube is 3. So we have 3 of the Orevate tube gel. And please make sure you know what it's meant for. You should know how to use it. And then, of course, we have Indian gooseberry, 200 gram size. We also have coffee grounds, 200 gram. And yes, we have white secret facial cream. How many do we have here? I think we have 5. We have white secret facial cream. We have 5 here. So if you're interested in it, you will get the whole 5. We also have the skin tag treatment. I did a review of this product. Okay, Crazy Life skin tag removal. We have 2 like this. So if you're interested, just let me know. We have the Olebat face cream. 2 Olebat face cream. I did a review of this product on this channel. You can check it out to know the usefulness of the product. And if you're interested, you let me know. We also have this Dodovate BSC carrot extract face cream, 2 of these. And we have Olebat and Timique BSC facial cream, 2. So if you're interested, you will get the whole 2. We have JRA face cream. You can use this as your secondary base facial cream, especially for pro mixing. This is good. So if you want this, you will get the whole 4. We have the Santander lotion for face. I'm giving out 6 of this. So if you're interested, you let me know. You'll get the whole 6. There's Santander lotion for leg and there's one for face. So this is the one for face. If you're interested, you will get the whole 6. Just let me know what you want. Oh, sorry, I just saw another JRA face cream. So we have 5, not 4. If you're interested in the JRA face cream, you will get the whole 5. This is good for pro mixing. Available. We also have the 42 hours cleanser. You know, there's the 42 hours oil and the cleanser. So we have the 42 hours cleanser, 6 bottles. If you're interested, you will get the whole 6. Okay, this is it. It's good for pro mixing, it's good for sunburn treatment and facial cleanser, whitening, you know. So this is good as well. If you're interested, let me know in the comment section. We have this Pimentos cleanser. We have one of it. And of course, Alpha Bottin serum. This is good concentrate for whitening and for pro-mixing. We have one of these. So I think we have other active subscribers in this channel. If you are interested in this, let me know in the comment section. But if the only time you've ever engaged in my video was in the comment section of the giveaway video I talked about, then it will be hard for you to get something. You just have to be active. At least let me see your comment in 2 or 3 videos, and I'll know yes, you are an active subscriber on this channel. I'll see you in my next video, guys, and congratulations to all the lucky winners. If you did not win today, don't worry, you will win another time. Thank you, guys. Bye.